If you want to be successful in today's competitive and ever-changing environment, particularly with rapid technological breakthroughs and altering employment markets, it is essential to develop skills that will last a lifetime. In this video, we will go over 5 essential skills you will need to acquire in order to survive in the new economy. From critical thinking and problem solving to adaptation and resilience, we will provide you with practical advice and insights to help you develop these timeless skills. We will also talk about the importance of communication, cooperation, and creativity in the modern workplace and how to use these talents to your advantage. Whether you're just starting out in your job or looking to expand your skill set, this video will provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Life of Luxury. Savor the flavor of exploring wealth, where we post videos about life and luxury. Join us on an exciting video as we explore the wonderful lives of the elite. We are absolutely thrilled to share our knowledge with you. If you are new here, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that we can continue to post videos on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment and we'll make sure to engage and start some interesting discussions with you. Number 1. How to market yourself as a company. People nowadays are less interested in developing a career with one organization and more interested in constructing a career around themselves and their skills. In order to do so, you must market yourself as a business, not as an employee. There are actually 2 kinds of it. There is a one-person business and an employee. So what's the difference? An employee has only one client, and they must do whatever the client says, when and how they say it. In fact, it is illegal for them to have several clients in most circumstances. A one-person company, on the other hand, can have as many clients as they want. They choose their clients, write the contracts, and set the terms of the game. They have complete control over their time and decide when and how the task is completed, making them the polar opposite of an employee. If one client does not work out, they have another to work with. If they want to retrain in a different skill set, they can do so without having to go through bureaucratic hoops. However, this required years of learning, followed by years of required experience. If they want to generate more money, they don't ask for a raise. Instead, they charge more by raising their value. All of this occurs only when you convert from an employee to a company of one. Learning how to pitch oneself as a business is a timeless skill that can take years of trial and error to master. Number 2. How to reinforce yourself. The illiterate of the 21st century are individuals who are unable to learn, unlearn, and relearn. The ability to educate oneself is at the heart of the timeless skill chart. It is the first thing you must obtain. Now, I'd like to ask you, when was the last time you learned something useful? And what was it? I ask you this because for most people, the last thing they learned to do was more than 5 years ago. And if you fall into this category, you are about to be replaced or downgraded. Yes, we understand that learning a brand new skill on your own can be intimidating and anxiety-inducing. You believe you can't do it, and even if you do, you will be unable to compete with people who have already mastered this skill via years of practice. However, we feel that learning how to learn for yourself is almost vital in the modern economy. Number 3. How to get people to listen to you. The new economy is global, with no borders. Geographical location is unimportant anymore. It is all on the internet, and the internet has its own money. The currency I'm talking about here is attention. Do people listen to what you have to say? Do people value your opinion? How can you expand your audience? Can you keep folks interested while also providing them with something useful? Can you attract followers? These were once questions only superstars asked themselves, but not any longer. Your ability to unite people around a shared interest and keep their attention can directly translate into you never having to worry about money again. Building a healthy community that wants to hear what you have to say is one of the most criminally undervalued abilities there is. You can't buy it or fake it. You either do it or you don't. Now, how are you going to get the attention of others? Before we reveal the most crucial factor that must be considered in order for people to pay attention, share what you think about this question in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell buttons to stay up to date on the videos we'll be releasing in the coming days. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 4. How to position yourself as an expert. People frequently confuse expertise with experience. Expertise refers to how good you are at something. The term experience refers to how long you've been doing it. They are not synonymous. If you've been doing the same monotonous activity for 5 years in a row, you are not an expert in that field. People in the new economy are seeking specialists rather than people with experience. Expertise does not have a temporal limit. You have complete control over how far you go and how good you become. It will take however many hours you decide to put in. There is no way of knowing how many years of experience you have in the new setting. It is only a matter of whether you can do it or not. This is why it is critical to position yourself as an expert rather than as someone with experience. Positioning yourself as an expert is a process that involves putting yourself and your work in the right location, at the right time, and in front of the appropriate people. The last but most important thing we need to remember is how to develop scalable systems. This entails creating a system with a constant production cost, but a multiplier of output. You may believe that this is a very challenging skill. Yes, in fact, this may be the most difficult skill to master, which is why we saved it for last. However, while this may appear difficult, if you become proficient at designing scalable systems at a consistent rate, your worth skyrockets. Because people are not scalable, everyone will want to work for your company. So if you thought working in huge IT businesses was secure, think again. And that brings us to the end of our list. Any of these abilities can help you survive in the new economy, but we recommend that you acquire at least 2 or 3 of them to put yourself on the path to true success. Now, what do you think of today's video? Please let us know in the comments. And if you're still hungry for more, we handpicked a lot of videos for you to watch next. So stay tuned and visit our channel, The Life of Luxury. That's it for now. If you enjoyed the video and found it useful, remember to subscribe to The Life of Luxury for more videos to help you explore the wonderful lives of the elite. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you won't miss out on any of our uploads. See you in our next video!